Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Game 1 of the Governor's Cup Conference Finals.
Chambers led the charge in Alaska's 90-79 Game 1 win, scoring 28 points. He was ably backed up by Abarientos with 18 and Hawkins with 17.
Dito si Abarientos, umangat na naman, Mintis, ando na naman si Son Chambers. Nagwagi ang Alaska Milk by 11 and Alaska top honcho Fred Uitexu enjoying his Game 1 victory.
Game 2 saw Chambers put on a dominating performance, scoring 42 points to lead the Alaska juggernaut with Hawkins adding 23, Lastimosa 17, and Carriazo 14 to put Alaska in a commanding position.
Ito, Alaska umaatake. Wala si Johnny Abarientos. Son Chambers! Alaska Storm to its second straight victory dito sa seryeng ito, and pinakikita sa atin ng Alaska na sila talaga ay ready na para dito sa championship na kanilang hinahabol, the last piece sa kanilang puzzle sa taon ng 1996.
The fate of Ginebra appeared sealed after Alaska took a 3-0 lead with a 95-82 conquest. Once again, Chambers ripped through the Gins defense to score 37 points, with solid contributions from Hawkins, Lastimosa, and Abarientos.
Inside pad, broken up by Hawkins. Gotta go to Chambers, 2 steps ahead.
Yes, sir. Yeah.